Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate average of numbers based on one or more condition. As you can see in the screen, here I have a data of sales representatives, item name and quantity sold. The sales representatives and item names are repeating multiple times in the data. The requirement here is to calculate the average of sales quantity based on the sales representative selected from this drop down and based on the item name selected from this drop down. For this we can use the DAVERAGE function. Alternatively, we can also use average if for single condition and average ifs for multiple condition, but here I am going to use the DAVERAGE function. And this data is in table format. If you go to the table design tab, here you see the name of this table is sales data. So in this cell, press equal to, then type the DAVERAGE function. You can double click on this function name to choose. Here in the database parameter, provide the table name, that is sales data. When you type sales, the table name will be suggested here. Double click on this to choose. Now open square bracket, then take this all option because we have to take the table by including the headers also. That's why we have to take this all option. Then close square bracket, put a comma. In the field parameter, we have to put the column number from which we want to calculate the average. That is the column number 3 for this quantity sold. So put here 3. Alternatively, you can also put the name of the column like this. Put a double quotation, then put column name, that is QTY sold. This is the column name, but here I am going to use the number, that is column number 3. Then put a comma, and here in the criteria you can now select this criteria range, that is from E3 to F4, which is the sales representative and item name. Now close the bracket and hit enter. This is the average quantity sold of graphics card sold by Emma. If I change this sales representative to Sophia, the average is same. If I change this item name to keyboard, here you see the average automatically calculates. Let me take John, and here you see the average auto change. So this is how you can use DAVERAGE function in Microsoft Excel to calculate the average of numbers based on one or more condition. If you want to practice this function, you can download this sample data file from the link in the video description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching.